This might be the shortest video I make all year. So I only have two examples. It's writing an equation in slope-intercept form given a table. As you're aware, we only need two things to write an equation in slope-intercept form. The slope, this paper calls it the rate. Maybe you've heard it called rate of change. Same thing. They're referring to the y-intercept as the starting value. Sometimes it's called the initial value. We typically call it the y-intercept. So quickly, this looks like the assignment. I'll show you. You look at the bottom of the table, and from 2 to 3 is up 1. From 4 to 7 is up 3. This is my rate, everyone. Rise, that's the change in y, over run, the change in x. So my rate is 3 over 1, and since it's over 1, I'll just call it 3. Now the starting value, or the y-intercept, always has an x value of 0. If you think about graphing, if you don't go left or right to graph a point, and you start at the origin, you're on the y-axis. So the starting value is that -2 right there. Remember, you're looking for x to be 0. Well, we have the rate, we have the starting value. I can write the equation now. The rate or the slope goes here. The y-intercept goes on the end. And the reason I want to do another example is because sometimes the slope is negative. Remember, the line would fall down from left to right. So in this case, from 6 to 1 is in a negative direction. See, down 5. This is still going to be +1. I think all of your tables on the assignment do this on the left. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3. So my rate, -5 over 1, which is -5. The starting value, well, there's 0. It starts at 16. And I write the equation. Don't forget to put x into your equations on the assignment. And there you have it. So this is what the assignment looks like. There are 8 of them, exactly like I just showed you. If you need any help, let me know.